to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't go through. Now you let yourself in and look at me, look at me. You made me,
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? So you guys remember I was doing a giveaway on the Terminator swap Notchback, and I ended up canceling the giveaway because once me and D got this thing on the lift, we found some things that we didn't really like, so went and got this thing cleaned up. Today's gonna be y'all first time seeing this thing since all the new stuff's been done. Fuel system's been redone, the wire's been tucked, new bushings, upper and lower control arms, diff bushing or rear control arms, upper diff housing bushings, and arms. All that stuff's been done, so car drives hella good now. Runs better. Jason did a street tune on this thing, so it runs a whole lot better. And Jason said this thing feels like it probably has like an extra 100 horsepower over when it originally came in. So yeah, now you guys get to see the Terminator swap notch. Currently the giveaway is back active for all my people that wanted to enter. Make sure you go over to Instagram. All the information is gonna be there. I'm not posting anything on YouTube on how to enter the giveaway, so make sure you go to my Instagram. Most of you guys follow my Instagram anyway. If you don't have an Instagram, I am sorry. I don't know what to tell you. You ain't gotta have an Instagram. You can just go over there and look and follow the instructions or something, but you have to go over there to figure out how to enter in. So with that being said, man, right now you can see I'm in my gym shit, getting ready to hit the gym, and then after the gym, we're gonna be going over to Saks Speed Shop because that's where the car currently is. The car was redone and fixed up, and all the little new stuff was done by Christian over at Saks Speed Shop. So y'all will get the whole rundown when we get there, but I'm about to be off to the gym. We got a leg day today, so today's gonna fucking suck, but let's get into it. And I think since we are going to check on the Notchback, I feel like it's only right that we take a Notchback. But I really kind of want to drive the C6. I mean the C5. Should I drive my Notch? Yeah, I'll drive the Notch. All right, swing staying all warmed up. Are you going close? What's going on? Second time driving this thing to the gym. Alright, let's get to the gym. Y'all, man, just finished up my leg workout. My legs are fucking toasted. So stopped over here, topped this thing off with some E85 real quick, and now we're about to be off the Saks Speed Shop to go check on the Notchback. But while I'm on my way there, y'all can check out a little bit of leg workouts since I never really post leg workouts. People be thinking, oh, you don't work legs? Like, bruh, come on now. You gotta work legs. So here are a couple clips, and by the time y'all see me, I will be at Saks Speed Shop.
It's the big 1.6. Nice job, bro. Yeah, buddy.
Christian's like, nigga, you should have bought this shit.
Whoa!
So this is the P1?
No, it's Vortec.
Oh, Vortex. Same shit. The bracketry be same on
Yeah.
for the most part.
Yeah.
I don't even like how it looks.
You say you don't? Well, it works.
I get it. I'm not saying like for your car.
I'm good, boy.
I'm gonna get a black one though. Pro Charger told me to shoot me a fucking a blower for the fucking notch.
Just make sure you your block is a forged block. You need
Nah.
to. Okay.
It's a bone stock 302.
Well, no, because some of the years come with forged internals.
The 93.
The newer ones, yeah. I think it's after the 92 or 90. The ones that come with the forged blocks.
The 94,
Yeah.
95s, I think.
No, not 94. The 5.0s.
Yeah, I think they're 90.
Yeah, 95 up to 95, 96
But
comes to
this will be
46.
the kit that you'll be.
Some of them have the cast pistons though. You want the forged ones, or else that shit's gonna go bye bye.
This nigga.
I know it's dirty as.
About to be no nigga driving it.
I mean, it works, and I personally think the 302s sound better than LSs. I don't care what nobody say. 302 sound better.
Sounded good coming in. Well, fucking fucked the whole goddamn driveway up.
That'd be alright. It's raining anyway. You just try to touch my ass, nigga? Do that gay shit
In a
again.
minute.
Nah, we ain't raffling this one. I'm way too deep into this car, bruh. This shit was expensive. I need to trim these fenders back up. Keeps catching right here. The other ones are already trimmed. I just didn't trim this one. But yeah, man, we over here. Sex Speed Shop. My dog, Christian. My dog. Yeah, so man, y'all ain't seen this thing in a minute. It's been a cool little minute since y'all seen this thing. So here it is. Heads up, I do have rear wheels on the way for this thing. So since the last time y'all seen it, man, a whole lot of shit got done. My guy Christian's been the one cleaning this shit up and getting it situated. Hey, you can see you got the sensor and shit now too.
Yeah.
Jeez. It's definitely cleaner. New battery, bigger terminals, all that. Cleaned up the wiring. Shit, rear arms. Spherical bushings and shit all in the rear now. All that good stuff.
Fuck your couch.
Shut up, hater.
Fuck your couch. Now, what's up?
He seen how much work I was putting in a notch, so he decided to go get a notch.
Man,
Trying to be like daddy. He went and got a CHP. It's over
I
there.
got a clean one that looks cool, and then Christian gonna drive the shit out of it.
It's like it's gonna get LS swapped.
Which one? The.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
Nah, I don't think we are.
I'm crucified.
You LS swap a CHP, they gonna hate you, bruh.
You know, fucking Holly try to give. What the fuck they want me to do? A Godzilla.
These wheels is ugly.
Yeah.
Still waiting on the other ones to come in though.
Hella ugly. How's that?
These wheels.
Yeah.
That one, no.
He wants to run his car. That's why I'm taking him to get him.
You like these? Yeah. Oh, look like Dayton's.
That nigga's a 20-year-old white kid. It's like kind of millennial. Gen Zs or some shit? They're not even millennials.
Yeah, Gen Z's the new
Gen
ones.
Z?
Yeah.
None of them niggas do make sense. You know what I mean? How baby?
She good.
Straight pipe.
Wow.
Still working on
So you already seen has a new edge dash, Holly Terminator cluster for the Holly setup. Interior's stupid clean. Stupid clean interior. Nah, I'm on keto, boy. You see how sexy I'm looking? Yeah, you see how sexy daddy looking, boy? So she does have AC, all that good shit, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't want to hear the Terminator whine, bro. The exhaust is so fucking loud that when we be swinging and doing like you can't hear it, but when you
Big Daddy Mike.
got a hood prop now.
only thing is missing, bro, is the wheels. Waiting for the wheels to come. That's all we're waiting for. Alright, so we're about to take this thing down the block. See what this shit do. Yeah, get that shit big tall boy friendly. All you short people driving. First time in the passenger seat of it?
Yes, actually, yeah. This is the first time. Watch out with the yellow pole behind you.
Who?
The yellow pole behind us.
I was about to tear this motherfucker up.
Don't go too far because ain't nobody here and I got that door open.
Almost forgot this motherfucker was a 6-speed. Just go down the block. It already feels better, like just leaving
Smooth as fuck.
with the new bushings and arms and shit. Idle's hella smooth too now.
Yeah.
That ride's hella better now. It's hella tall as all. These the seats, yeah, the seats, they were a little lower. That ain't shit though. That shit feels good. There's like no more clunking, none of that shit.
Swing it right here. Just do a U-turn. I don't want to go too far away from the shop. Nah, I don't think so.
Oh, you lost the lights, nigga.
Huh?
You turned the lights on?
Oh yeah, go, just go. That motherfucker. This nigga was manji while the boys were coming down the street.
Oh shit. So this was all visual stunts right now?
It's all computer generated, AI.
Yeah, AI generated and shit. But yeah, man, first little look at it. This thing drives hella good. Spins first and second. Obviously, it's a Terminator, bro. Whoever won this thing could pulley it down, do whatever the fuck you wanted to. Easy. Somebody else was manjing with
Stunt driver?
yeah, stunt driver. Literally right by him, I'm like, bruh. He's like, no.
I'm waiting to catch somebody.
Turn on the lights, I was like, come on, just blow the stop
Since that
sign.
Corvette the other day, they've been waiting to catch somebody.
But yeah, this thing runs hella good, bruh. Hella good. Can't wait for the other wheels to come. Just gonna tie this in. Doing just like a rear drag pack on here. Doing some, throwing some 285s on it. But again, whoever won this car, bro, you literally pulley this thing down. Easily make 500 or something. If you want to swap a Whipple or some shit on there, psh, sky's the limit at that point. These Terminator motors are solid, so go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, jump in that thing. Look on Instagram, you feel me? If you're trying to win it. Look, this that sexy thing right here. It's the boy I want. I'm waiting for him to like go through a divorce or something hard, and he got to get rid of it.
Yeah.
And he got the hydro.
Door panels are done. Front seats are done. I just need the rear to be done. Dash and center console. Now all this shit in.
And check this out. They got Corvette interior in here.
Hold on, let me go get you another side.
Literally C6 interior. It's so sexy.
You gotta get what the car is first.
Man, they know what kind of car it is. I can't wait for that divorce to happen, boy. That's when niggas start letting shit go for the cheap.
fucking.
Bro, does
know
the
that
fob
shit?
thing actually work?
Yeah, it does. The key fob work to it. To lock and unlock. I just gotta hook it up to the doors. But it does that shit where it don't pick up the key fob because I don't fucking ever turn it on. Don't pick it up though.
You gotta put it in the glove box.
I took this fool fucking lost a piece worth. That's what I was doing. The little plastic piece that goes in.
This car is so clean. Painted bumpers and It's a run 2034.
No, actually probably running by right before summer ends. I have it up and running.
Coming out hard for winter or what?
Yeah. The interior motherfuckers have my car on hold.
Could be worse. Could be the body shop.
I mean, the body shop had it for like 2.5 years. Let's not talk about the audio shop next.
Oh, jeez. Bro, whoever blocked this is...
It's not done. The car's gonna go get re-cleared.
No, I'm saying it looks flat as fuck though.
Oh yeah, it is. But
Like,
it's gonna get two coats of clear, 2 brand new coats.
that's good blocking. And the body line's hella sharp.
You got power on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to accessory.
It's camera shy. All right, now she ain't acting camera shy. All right, what's good with y'all, man? I'm just getting back to the house. Just finished cleaning this thing up. Went and got it for a quick little wash. Woo, she back bussin'. Back bussin'. Hidden, shining again. This fender this little Fats did is like the shiniest part of the car, which is crazy. Like that fender is hella shining, bruh. I definitely need to get Fats to repaint the entire car, clean it up, or just get on painting something else, but shine bright like a diamond. But anywho, man, again, go to the Instagram, figure out how to get in the Terminator Notch giveaway. But I'm about to wrap it up. I'm about to go in here, chillax. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Until next time, we out.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on.